There's an understanding that
Hindi ko
after
po siya pusa. Pusa po sa apartment complex. Ayan, naglalaro po siya sa snow. Tingnan niyo po,
and that brings
niya,
us to another
wala siyang
challenge.
pakailan kahit puro snow yung nakaligiran.
Not just language
May kalaro
barriers,
siya
but the
dyan,
way
yung
ideas
dalawang
are exchanged.
niya. So,
In China,
yung mga
workers
pusa
are
na yan,
conditioned to
pinangalanan ko
listen
na po
rather
siya.
than speak up,
Yan po si
follow,
Tuxedo at yung kulay
to operate within a
orange, si
system rather
Ginger,
than
at si
disrupted.
Pepper, yung isa.
It's not an
Nagtago
easy
sila
habit to
Kanina
break,
nandyan sila naglalaro
especially
silang
when the
tatlo.
corporate environment
Diba?
reinforces
Ang saya po nila. Ayan. Ay, ang
Musk's
saya ni
companies
Tuxedo.
thrive on debate.
Enjoy
They
niya
want
lang yung
workers who will
snow.
push back, who will say,
Diba? Nag-i-snow
what if
bathing
I
siya.
say
Instead of
instead?
sunbathing, snow bathing siya.
In the Philippines,
Diba?
speaking up
Hindi
isn't
po
just
siya
accepted,
nilalamig. Ayan
it's
po.
encouraged.
Diba?
Collaboration isn't just a buzzword,
Yan po ang
it's how
kapaligiran
it's
sa
done.
labas ng apartment
There's a reason
complex.
why the best Filipino workers integrate
Pinapay
self-sustaining
na po yan.
practices.
Diyan lang siya. Ayan.
They're comfortable
Hanggang
working in
mamaya siya
environments
dyan.
where
Ang tagal
ideas
niya
are
dyan.
exchanged freely,
Diba?
where feedback
Cute na
isn't
po.
just tolerated but expected.
Tuxedo!
And that's not to say that Chinese workers don't
Yan.
have
Si
world-class
Tuxedo
talent.
po yan. Stray
They
cat po
do.
yan dyan sa aming
The
apartment
problem
complex.
isn't
Ayan
ability,
siya.
it's the
Yan, ang cute-cute niya po. O, diba? Tuwa po ako dyan, mga yan. Pagkagising ko, hinahanap ko na po yan sila sa labas dyan. Okay.